I stole my dad's savings.
You what?
But he doesn't know, so I got a new job to try and pay him back before he realizes it's gone. My dad doesn't have a bank account for his own personal reasons, so I got him a debit card from a bank that I never use for him to have as a backup. He gave me $10,000 for me to safekeep in my savings account. He's used $7,000 on his own things, but I spent $3,000 without telling him, always justifying it with I'll pay it back before he asks me for it. Just last year he almost found out I had taken it, when he asked me for some money and I couldn't give it to him. But luckily I got paid by my job and managed to give him the amount he needed. I lost my job last year and was living off of unemployment benefits and panicking about what I would do if he asked me for money. This month I started a new job, paying almost double what I was paid before, and I'm making it a priority to put $3,000 aside for him before anything else. I can't tell anyone in real life because no one would understand how I could have done it. After paying off this debt, I only owe my boyfriend $500, which I'll pay as soon as I can as well. I hate this new job, but the pay was so good to get me out of this mess that I couldn't turn it down. It's a 2-year contract and I'm hoping to feel a different way about it sooner, but for now I'll have to endure it to get me out of this mess I made.
Wow, that was a close one for OP. She almost got caught, but it seems she was a smooth criminal. I remember being low on funds before and I had to resort to using my guardian's money, and unfortunately, I did so behind her back again! And I felt really bad about it until I gave her back some money, and that put my mind at ease. I usually give her money when I get paid, but for some reason back then I had a lot going on and I never wanted her to worry because she tends to worry a lot about me and I didn't want that stress to affect her negatively. Anyway guys, let's check out what others have to say about Up's confession story.
First person says, you should tell your dad so that he can stop trusting you with his money.
He's out of line, but he's right.
Someone replied, for real, I give my parents chunks of money sometimes and they'll keep it for years before I need it usually, but when I need it, you know? It's mine. If he does need something before you have the money OP, you should offer to cover it with a credit card or something at least. Someone else added, wouldn't you have to repay $3,000 plus interest if you put it in a savings account for him? Lovely Blueberry said, my ex tried this crap on me. He stole about $4,000 and thought I wouldn't notice. I left him homeless when I inevitably found out.
Damn!
Good luck. Do better. Another person added, you're doing the right thing, just avoid that in the future, you never know what's around the corner, peace. Someone else added, tell your dad. If he trusted you in the first place, he would probably understand and be proud that you've learnt a lesson and made it right. Plus he won't make any plans for that cash that will come with a penalty if he can't pay. And the last comment said, we all buck up sometimes, just make sure you pay it back as soon as you can. Once you do, let him know what happened and that you think that he would be better finding other means of keeping his money safe.
Well guys, what do you think about this confession story? Have you ever been in a predicament like this one? What did you do? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section, and please, for me, subscribe to the channel for more Reddit stories, cheating stories and confession stories like this one. Also, like the video to get it out to more people who will appreciate content like this. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one, love.